In this video, I'm going to show you how to make files smaller on your iPhone. So whether you have a photo, a video, or a document that you want to make smaller, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to do this. Now, the first method is you can just go and open up the Files app on your phone and select On My iPhone. Now, once you've found the file or the photo that you want to go and compress, simply hold down on it like so, and you can press this compress button. Now, what this will do is compress the file into a zip file, and this is going to give it a much smaller file size. You can then go and share that zip file to other people, and this will allow you to transfer files at a smaller size. Now, if you want to reduce the actual size of the file or the photo, then what you can do is go and open up an internet browser. You could then type in compress and then type in your file type. So this could be a PDF, an image, a video, it's entirely up to you. I'm just going to type in compress image. You could then scroll down this page and you'll see all of these different online tools that's going to allow you to compress your different files. So for example, I can click on this top website here. I can then press select images and click on photo library. I can then just select the photo that I want to compress and click on the compress images. As you can see, our file size is now much smaller, and you can just press the download button, click on your downloads folder, and from here you'll be able to find that compressed image file. So that's how to make files smaller on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.